Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making Karahi Gosht. In a pan we'll heat half cup of oil. Then I will add one large sliced onion. We're gonna fry it until the onions are golden brown. Now the onions are golden brown. I will add 2 bay leaves and 2 cardamom, black cardamom. 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon crushed red chili, 4 to 6 cloves and 6 to 8 whole black peppers. We are going to mix everything with the help of a wooden spoon and cook it for 1 minute. Now I will add a large bulb of garlic thinly sliced. We are going to mix it and cook it for 1 minute. After 1 minute of cooking, I will add 2 large sliced tomatoes. Cook them until they are softened. Here I have 1 pound mutton. I cooked it for 10 minutes in 1 glass of water and half teaspoon salt. I'm going to separate the meat and cook it with the masala I made earlier. We're going to cook it for like 5 to 7 minutes. If you're liking the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. After 7 minutes, you will see the meat will start changing its color. We are going to cook it until that stage and then we will add the water we cooked meat in. Mix it nicely. Then cover it for 5 to 7 minutes. Make sure you check it like after every 2 to 3 minutes. Give it a mix to make sure that it's not sticking from the bottom, and then cover it again until the water dries up. As you can see, the water is almost dry, but we will wait until oil separates from the gravy. As you can see, the oil is separating and it's ready to dish out. We are going to take a bowl and dish it out. Dish it out in a nice presentable bowl and then add some cilantro, some green chilies, some crushed garam masala powder. It's ready to eat now. Enjoy it with chapati. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a blessed day. Take care. See you in my next video. Bye bye.